AMPX stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Amprius Technologies stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in the stock trading space having done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. And so I'm not even exaggerating, it's all on my YouTube channel. Especially with this, like it all began here when it was $6, then it went to 9. And then I sort of wanted to see a double break yesterday. Didn't get to see that. And that's fair. But the bullishness and all this bullish things that I have kind of imagined here are still valid as long as there is a shift here. You know what I mean? So this will just look like this. And if there's no confirmation, then obviously I'm not gonna buy, because I like the car to be going 60 miles per hour and I just want to jump in. Like, I'm just giving you a car analogy here, but that's what I'm saying here, you know what I mean? So if you want to stay tuned, and there's a lot of receipts with AMPX in the Discord, click the first link in the description. It's free, and I'll continue to keep you updated.